to show that soil contains air.
Jay, come. I have another interesting activity for you to perform.
What is the aim of this activity, Papa?
This is to show that soil contains air.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Papa, what are the things required to perform this activity?
All we need is a glass jar, some soil, and water.
I will go and fetch all the things.
Thank you so much, Jay. Now, let's perform this activity step by step. First, we will take a glass jar and put some soil in it. Then, we will pour water over the soil and observe.
Look, Papa, there are some bubbles in the jar as I poured water.
Yes, this happened because air is trapped in the soil. The air escapes as bubbles when water is poured on the soil.
Wow, that's so amazing, Papa.
Yes, it is. Do you know how the air present in the soil is useful?
Yes, Papa, I know. This air is useful to plants as it helps them to grow.
Brilliant, you are right.
This was a fun way to learn things. Thank you, Papa.
Soil.
Good morning, Jay. What are you doing on the terrace early in the morning?
Good morning, Papa. I'm trying to plant these tomato seeds.
That's amazing, my dear. But these seeds cannot grow in this amount of soil. We need to put more soil in the pot.
Oh, I didn't know that, Papa. Can you tell me more about soil?
Yes, sure. Soil is the topmost layer of the Earth's surface. It covers the major portion of the land area on the Earth. It contains particles of broken rocks, minerals, and decaying plants and animals. The soil is home to all forms of life on the Earth.
That's amazing, Papa. But how is soil formed?
Soil is formed by the breaking down of rocks due to the action of heat, cold, water, and wind. It takes a very long period of time to form soil. Soil formation is an ongoing process. Let's understand how soil is formed. The sun heats up the hard rocks on the Earth's surface. The rain and wind cool down the heated rocks. The constant heating and cooling causes the rocks to develop cracks. The cracks get bigger and bigger. As a result, the rocks break up into small pieces. Wind and water carry these pieces of rocks, which on rubbing against each other break into very tiny particles. The tiny particles get mixed with decaying plants and animals to form soil.
Does this mean that rocks are formed with the help of sun, rain, wind, and water?
Yes. Do you know that soil is made of different layers?
No, Papa. Please tell me more about it.
The soil is made of 4 different layers. Each layer has a different name. These are topsoil, subsoil, parent rock, and bedrock.
Papa, I want to know more about these layers.
Of course, Jay. Topsoil. It is the most fertile layer of the soil that consists of nutrients. All the plants grow here. It is rich in humus that makes the soil fertile. The remains of dead plants and animals mixed with the soil makes humus. Subsoil. It is present below the topsoil and contains pebbles and small stones. Parent rock. It is present below the subsoil and contains big solid rocks. Bedrock. It is present at the bottom and contains unweathered rocks.
Wow! It means different layers of the soil contain different things.
Yes, Jay, you are absolutely correct. Can you name a few things that are present in the soil?
Yes, Papa. Soil contains pieces of broken rocks, minerals, and decaying plant and animal matter.
Well done, my dear. But there are 2 more important components of the soil.
Oh, what are these components, Papa?
These components are air and water. They help the plants to grow.
That's so wonderful.
Soil.
Soil contains so many things. Papa, do we have different types of soil as well?
Yes, there are different types of soil depending on the color and composition in different places. The different types of soil are sandy soil, clayey soil, and loam. Sandy soil contains big sand particles. There is a lot of air in the spaces between these particles. It cannot hold much water. It is dry and light soil. It is found in the desert and on the seashore. Clayey soil contains very fine particles with a few air spaces between them. It can hold a lot of water. It is sticky in nature. It is used to make pots and toys. Loam is a mixture of sand and clay. It can hold both air and water. It is the ideal soil for the growth of plants as it contains air, water, and humus. Jay, can you recall what humus is?
Yes, Papa. It is a substance that is formed from dead plants and animals in the soil. It helps the plants to grow.
Very good, Jay. Now tell me, which type of soil do you think is ideal for the growth of plants?
Loam is ideal as it is rich in air, water, and humus.
Yes,
Papa, do all crops need soil to grow?
yes, all the crops need soil to grow. Different types of crops grow in different types of soil. Sandy soil supports growth of a very few crops. Plants like wheat and rice grow well in clayey soil. Farmers add manure to the soil to make it fertile while growing crops.
Papa, what is manure?
Manure is a mixture of cow dung, and decaying leaves. It helps the plants to grow by adding nutrients to the soil.
Papa, now I know that soil is very important for plants.
Yes, it is. Soil is also important to us in many ways.
How is it important to us, Papa?
Let me tell you how. Soil provides water and minerals for the growth of plants. It is home to many tiny creatures like snails, earthworms, and wood lice. It prevents floods by absorbing rainwater. It provides useful minerals like diamond and graphite.
Wow, Papa! Today I learned so many things about soil. Now I know soil has different layers and that soil is of different types. I also learned about various components of soil and how soil is important to us. It was fun learning all this.
Great! Now let's complete planting the tomato seeds and then we will go and have breakfast.